Hi Pico. We haven't seen a movie since long. Why don't we see one today?
Well, okay. I just heard that there is a movie called the Adverb movie and it is running at the Superb Humans Theatre. Let's go. Long ago, the verbs were very sad and all alone. They felt incomplete. They were not happy. Then one day an angel saw them while she was flying. She came to their rescue and said, I will bless you with words that will describe you further. I am giving you adverbs. Adverbs describe or modify a verb, adjective or another adverb. They tell us how, where, when. Let's see an example. She speaks quietly. How did she speak? Quietly. One more example. Kunal is cooking pasta downstairs. Where is Kunal cooking? Downstairs. Our meeting takes place at 3 o'clock. When is the meeting? At 3 o'clock. This is another example. Most adverbs can be formed by adjectives by adding ly. Quick becomes quickly. Slow turns into slowly. Important note. There are some words ending in ly which are adjectives and not adverbs. Satya was beautifully dressed for the party. Here, the word beautifully is an adjective, not an adverb.
Pico, I really enjoyed the movie and I learned the adverbs. Adverbs are the real heroes and they make verbs so complete and cool.
Yes, they are.
Hello everyone, my name is Sindhu. I'm your English coach. I use activities, games and exercises to teach you English and make you a master in communication. I have helped thousands of students and participants to become a powerful presenter and confident communicator. Please subscribe to our channel and motivate us to make more contents like this. Thank you.